In this video, we are going to discuss the origin of carbon compounds under AP Unit 1 Chemistry of Life. In 1929, an Indian-British scientist called Haldane claimed that when ultraviolet light acts on a mixture of water, carbon dioxide, and ammonia, a vast variety of organic compounds will be formed. In other words, Haldane hypothesized that organic compounds or macromolecules like proteins and carbohydrates could be formed spontaneously in the prebiotic life before the existence of living organisms. And later in 1953, two scientists, Miller and Urey, designed an experiment to check this assumption. So in the experiment, they tried to resemble the prebiotic ocean and the prebiotic atmosphere. They assumed that the prebiotic atmosphere contains ammonia, methane, and hydrogen gas. And also they used electricity to resemble the lightning. And after condensing the water vapor and took a sample from the condensed water, they found traces of organic compounds, and they said that they found at least 11 amino acids in addition to traces of sugar. This is in general Miller's and Urey's experiment, but what are some questions, possible questions in AP related to this experiment? In Princeton, they asked a question, which of the following contradicts the hypothesis of the experiment? They asked the student to choose between the four options what could be a good contradiction to this experiment. In the beginning, we said that the sample found traces of sugar and at least 11 amino acid. So one can say that since the sample doesn't include any nucleic acid, this could be a good contradiction to this experiment. The answer was nucleic acid compounds such as DNA and RNA weren't detected in the mixture of this experiment. Another question was related to the cysteine amino acids. They said that in the mixture, they didn't find traces for cysteine amino acid. What could be a possible reason for the absence of cysteine amino acid? One should remember that cysteine contains sulfhydryl group, and the answer should be since there is no compound containing sulfur we can't find a sulfur containing compound in the prebiotic atmosphere, then this could be a reason for the absence of cysteine amino acid.